Weather portion of Ag Week now. Arctic air has retreated. You know, the month of January is going to go down over most of the northern plains as warmer than average, not colder than average. It's been about average so far. It just seems like it's been cold. Anyway, a midwinter mild spell is coming. With this milder pattern, it's not so snowy. And also the main areas of precip around the country will again be confined to the eastern seaboard and the northwest. Some of that rain, some of that snow. Let's take a look at the pattern right now. It's decidedly cold this weekend, but up the Arctic air, the really cold stuff has really retreated way far north. So a lot of this region in dark blue is below freezing, but not below zero. Now, over the course of the week ahead, it'll float around. There'll be some days warmer than others, but generally speaking, it's not going to be terribly cold. This is a lot of 20s, maybe some low 30s, might even get a couple of days where some parts of the northern plains gets into some thawing weather. Now, toward the end of the week, that frigid weather will start dropping south a bit in eastern Canada, but because of ridging in this split flow pattern over the west, it's just not going to get headed back to the west at all. Even this jet stream coming out of the north does not have any attachment to the Arctic air. Next week, that may change. Now, the first week of February, this big ridge is going to start collapsing. Cold weather will start moving back. While it won't be as cold as it was, I think, in early January, that first week of February is going to bring some much colder weather to the northern plains and upper Midwest region. Main stormy weather this week will be along the eastern seaboard and the eastern Corn Belt, the Great Lakes, and the Pacific Northwest. There may be a few shots of light snow in the middle, but it's not likely to be much. And the same areas will be wet next week. This one looks like in early February. Could be quite rainy in the southeast, but it is becoming the wet season in the southeast. Pacific Northwest gets some snow and some rain in the middle. If there's snow, it won't be too much.